Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can add another Instagram account. In general, how you can add multiple accounts in one device. Now for that, first of all, tap open the Instagram. Once you open the Instagram, here you need to tap on the profile icon and hold it for a couple of seconds. So here I'm just gonna tap on my profile icon and hold it for a couple of seconds. With this, you will get this pop out option, and there you can see I already have few accounts on my Insta or on my particular device. So here, if you want to add more Instagram account, you need to tap on add account. Tap on that. You will have two options of logging in, that is login into the existing account. That means the account which has already been created, or you can create a new account right away. So I'm just gonna tap on log into the existing account. Now here you can just tap on switch accounts. With this, you will be able to add one another account on this particular device. So here you provide the email address or the username for the account, then you provide the password. With this, you will be logged in into your account, or you will be adding one more account. You can switch your account just like that. Hope this video was useful on how you can add Instagram account or have multiple accounts in one device. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.